A big part of the Sunshine Girls winning Game 1 of the Margaret Beckford Netball Series against South Africa was down to the return of goal shooter Shimona Jock. She'll be looking to put in another big performance against the Spar Proteas as the Jamaicans seek to take an unassailable 2-0 lead in their 3-game series. Daniel McLeod tells us more.
The absence of Jamaica's two top goal shooters, Janiel Fowler Nemhard and Romelda Aiken-George, forced the Sunshine Girls to find solutions elsewhere for the series against the South Africans. And after Shimona Jock's performance on Friday, it can safely be said that inviting her back to the team was the right decision. Jock had a 97% shooting accuracy, scoring 38 of her 39 attempts. Jock said she played her own game and did not let the weight of expectations get to her.
Genuinely, I wasn't intimidated. I was more so anxious because, as we all know, it's all different defenders coming up against us, and their preparation against us might be quite hard and quite drilling. So I think personally, I took it up on myself that I need to be prepared for that because they're going to be quite physical and they're not going to stop until they get a ball off me. So I think my job was to ensure that I did my videos, I trained as hard as I could, and then I came out and execute with my girls.
Jock, who last represented the Sunshine Girls in 2022, said the experience from the teammates around her made the adjustment easier.
While I play, I talk, so I'm a bit of a narrator, so that helped them really well. I demand the ball, so does Janelle and Romelda. I think what's really great, that's of an asset we have, we all give 3 strong position, and I think that's a great asset for us. We internally know how to play, but when we come up against our opponents, it's a struggle for them because we know exactly what to produce on court.
South Africa's coach Jenny Van Dyke wants her girls to play at a high level.
Up at the moment, and I know the Jamaican Sunshine Girls looking to secure a second spot on the ranking by beating us. So obviously they've got a lot that they're working for as well. So for us, it's also about just getting a standard out there that forces teams to play their absolute best against us.
She expects the team to get better as the series progresses.
And we need to go back, we need to do our homework now, break up this entire game, make sure that we understand exactly where things went wrong for us, and just get a few fixes in. Nothing that happened tonight is not fixable at the end of the day. I think, as they gain more experience and as they start understanding the movements of the Jamaicans, it's going to be easier and easier for them as they go forward.
Game 2 in the 3-game series is set for Wednesday at the National Indoor Sports Centre starting at 7 p.m. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.